Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we explore the fascinating stories of the natural world. I'm your host, David, and I'm excited to share with you a tale of coexistence and conservation from the heart of Europe. Today, we're heading to Switzerland, where a peculiar creature is transforming landscapes and winning hearts. In the Swiss countryside, beavers are making a comeback, and their impact on the environment is nothing short of remarkable. These semi-aquatic mammals are known for their incredible engineering skills, building dams that alter the flow of rivers and create thriving ecosystems. But as they settle into their new homes, they're also bringing about unexpected challenges for local communities. In the village of Awisen, beavers have moved into the stream, running through the center, causing sinkholes in roads, felling trees and devouring crops. However, instead of seeing them as pests, the locals have decided to coexist with these furry newcomers. With the help of a specially constructed netted boundary, the beavers are now contained, and the community is reaping the benefits of their presence. The arrival of Justin and Haley, as the beavers are affectionately known, has brought about a surge in biodiversity. Kingfishers, dragonflies, and bats have all made an appearance, and the locals are thrilled to have these new neighbors. As one resident put it, people see it as a bit exotic and unique that we've got beavers here. You can walk along here with your dog and see beavers. That's special. This story highlights the intricate relationship between humans and wildlife, and the importance of finding ways to coexist with nature. By embracing the presence of beavers, the Swiss community is not only preserving the environment, but also enriching their own lives. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world where culture and conservation intersect. In the heart of Indonesia's West Kalimantan lies a community that has perfected this balance, showcasing how traditional beliefs can be a powerful tool in protecting our planet's biodiversity. The Sungai Utik community manages nearly 9,500 hectares of land, blending strict protection of old-growth forests with sustainable agricultural practices. But what makes their approach truly unique is the integral role that supernatural beliefs play in their conservation efforts. At the center of these beliefs are the strangler figs, trees that are not only ecologically vital but also spiritually significant. According to local law, these trees are inhabited by various spirits, the most feared being the Antu Grasi or hunter ghost. The community believes that harming these trees can lead to illness, death, or other misfortunes, a concept known as manawa. This fear of supernatural repercussions has led to a robust taboo against cutting down strangler figs, effectively protecting not just the trees themselves, but also the myriad species that depend on them. This traditional belief system has created natural havens within the agricultural landscape. When the community clears areas for crops, they leave behind islands of vegetation around the strangler figs. These islands serve as stepping stones for wildlife and facilitate the regeneration of forests when fields are abandoned, making their agriculture more biodiversity-friendly. The success of this approach is a testament to the importance of considering cultural beliefs in conservation strategies. It highlights that the protection of nature can be deeply intertwined with the spiritual and social fabric of local communities. By respecting and supporting these traditional practices, we can foster more effective and sustainable conservation efforts worldwide. As we delve into the intricate relationships between human cultures and natural ecosystems, it becomes clear that preserving biodiversity is not just about saving species or habitats, it's also about respecting the knowledge, beliefs, and practices of indigenous peoples who have lived in harmony with nature for centuries. Welcome back to Nature Walk, dear listeners. As we conclude our journey through the wonders of the natural world today, I'd like to take you to a small stretch of the Atlantic forest in southern Brazil, where a tiny, bright orange species of frog has been found, and it's new to science. This miniature amphibian, measuring just over a centimeter long, less than half an inch, or the length of an average fingernail, has captured the hearts of researchers and nature enthusiasts alike. The team behind this discovery has named the toadlet Brachycephalus lulai, in honor of Brazil's president, Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva. This genus, Brachycephalus, also known as flea toads or saddleback toads, comprises all tiny species that live among leaf litter in Brazil's Atlantic rainforest. What's remarkable is that out of the 42 known species, 35 have been described since 2000, highlighting the vast and unexplored biodiversity of our planet. The individuals of the latest species to be described, B. Lulai were found hidden in the leaf litter of the montane Atlantic forest at two nearby sites on the southeastern slopes of Serra do Quiriri in the state of Santa Catarina, southern Brazil. The researchers collected 32 individuals and conducted a thorough analysis, comparing different features of the frogs, including their DNA and vocalizations, with those of other brachycephalus species. Their findings confirmed that it was indeed a new-to-science species. B. Lulai boasts a bright orange body dotted with tiny green and brown spots, a truly distinctive appearance. Males measure just 8-9-11.3 mm in length, while females are slightly larger at 11.7-24 mm. One of the fascinating aspects of this discovery is the unique call produced by males to attract females, which is distinct from other species within the genus. Currently, the sites where B. Lulai was found appear to be intact, without any significant threats, leading the researchers to suggest that the species be categorized as least concern under the IUCN Red List classification. However, it's essential to continue monitoring this scenario, as the broader Serra do Quiriri range faces impacts from various human activities such as burning of grasslands, cattle grazing, mining, invasion of pine trees, and development for tourism. This discovery not only adds to our understanding of the rich biodiversity of the Atlantic forest, but also underscores the importance of conservation efforts. As we explore and learn more about our natural world, we are reminded of the delicate balance of ecosystems and the need to protect them for future generations. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.